To activate your quick hatch, on your left hand side we go to draw, subcolumn we go down to quick hatch. It will open the dialog here on the side. So remember, you can either drag or you can left click to activate from your quick hatch, and that is controlled under configure, environment setting. Go to application, you'll see there's an activating tool, and at the bottom right hand side you can toggle between the two. So if you're familiar with Caddie 25, it was set by drag. So new to Caddie 26 is the by click option. So I'm going to use the by click. I'm going to say OK. So what that means is just a single left click and it activates the command, and I can apply the hatch. So that's the first enhancement that's added to the quick hatch. Secondly, you will notice here at the bottom right hand side we've got the inside, the endpoints, the manual, closed object, edit existing. But now you will see that the island mode, there's 3 island modes. You've got the auto, the prompt for island, and then island via keyboard shortcut. So I'm going to start off with the auto. Now as you move your pointer to the left, Caddie will give you a description of the modes. Now I'm going to read to you the auto mode. Caddie will determine whether the outline defined is a new hatch or an island, based on the overlap of the loop on the hatch. If it overlaps, it will become an island. If it doesn't, it will create a new hatch. So that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to left click. It activates my full red color. Caddie asks me, indicate inside area for hatch. I'm going to indicate the area, and now I'm going to indicate the islands. So there's nothing I'm going to press on the keyboard. I'm just going to indicate the areas that I want to make islands, because as Caddie explained, that if it's set to auto mode, if it overlaps, then it will become an island. So that's what happened at the moment. My islands is in the vicinity of my existing hatch. So if I now go to a new area, I'm going to indicate where I want to fill my hatch, and I'm going to indicate my islands as well. So if it's set to auto, I'm going to press escape. You will see that it will then be 2 single individual hatches. So that is the main idea of using the auto island mode. Now when it comes to prompt for island, so if I'm going to change the prompt for island, once again I'm just going to read to you the description for the mode. Prompt for island, after creating a hatch, Caddie will then prompt for the island. All further outline defines will become islands until option end is clicked. So what that means is, if I'm going to stick to a fill, and Caddie will ask me, indicate inside area to hatch. So I'm going to indicate the first one. Then Caddie asks us, indicate inside area to make an island. Option N to finish adding islands. So I'm going to indicate my second. I'm going to indicate my third, because I haven't got the island yet. I'm going to indicate the next one. And now I'm going to indicate the island. So I'm going to indicate that's the island and that's the island. So if I'm going to press end now Caddie will ask me, indicate inside area for hatch. And now it can start off with a new hatch. So I can indicate the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, end, and I can press escape. So at the moment you will see that at the bottom those are single individual hatches that's actually linked, and the top one, they are all linked as well. So the advantage, first of all, that comes that when you want to edit existing drawings or hatching, and that is I want to apply a pattern hatch to, let's say, to the full. So all I can do is I go edit existing, select the pattern I want to use, indicate the hatch, and it updates that linked hatch. Same as with the roof. If I'm going to select my roof tile, I'm going to indicate the hatch, because all those hatches there, those are linked, and that's why if you apply or edit to an existing hatch, it will update. So when it comes to the last one, I'm going to swap to island via keyboard shortcut. Once again, I'm just going to read to you the description. It says, Caddie will assume each outline is a new hatch unless the I key is pressed when prompted. If pressed, then Caddie will create islands until the user click option end. And that's what's going to happen. You will see as soon as I'm going to activate my hatch, Caddie will ask me, indicate inside area to hatch. So I'm going to indicate the area, and then in my command line, indicate inside area to hatch or add island. So I'm going to press I on the keyboard. I'm going to indicate the island, and as you can see, Caddie still asks me, indicate inside area to make an island. Now there was only one island, so I'm going to press E for end. I'm done with that area, and now I'm going to indicate the next area I want to hatch, the next area I want to hatch. So if I'm going to press E for end, stop the command, and now you will see that all 3 of them will be single individual hatches. Once again, the advantage, if I go to edit existing, I'm going to make use now of a line style, and I can edit each and every one individually.